Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from NewCraftDay. So this one just came in your regular bag, postal bag that you get nowadays. And I've got some interesting bits and pieces in here. So I'm really super excited to have a look and see what all this is. So that looks interesting. Right, so I have a couple of diamond paintings and I have this. So we'll get started with that. Okay, so this is a zippered storage case. I have a bigger one of these with 60 bottles and this one has 30. So I was very keen to actually have a look at this because, I think it goes this way. Because this would be perfect for my smaller projects that I'm doing at the moment. So you've got this beautiful zip, and I think it comes in different colors actually. This section here, that's just a bit of a, that's coming off, so that's no problem. You've got a handle. Zipper worked very well actually. And then you have your bottles inside. There's some lid labels. There's a nice little pocket in here. So I usually use this little pocket to put whatever drills that didn't fit in the bottles. I pop in there. And then you've got your 30, I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 30 containers. Oh, so they are the bigger ones. Oh, that's good. So they've got the screw tops. They're nice and tall. Now these actually hold a lot of drills. I normally use these for my bigger projects because they do hold so many drills. That lid is actually quite, like that plastic's quite thick. It's thicker than the one I've got. So that actually holds quite a lot. So you've got your 30 bottles and they're in this sort of foam. So see your foam insert here. And what I do is when I've got so many things happening, like on my big drafts table, my easel sort of sitting up, there's nowhere to really put my bottles. So I just sort of pull that out and then set that up or set that on a separate table. And then the lid doesn't sort of flop back and dump it on the floor, which is what it was doing. It was driving me mad. So I've just take this insert out. Problem solved. So that is really nice. Really, really nice. Good quality containers. And that is such a perfect size. Like you could take that traveling with you, take it around. It's so compact, and actually the top and the bottom are quite sturdy. That is fantastic. Oh gee, I love that. Well, that's going to get used quite a lot because, as I said, the one that I have has 60 screw top that and it's just a bit too big for me to be taking around, that sort of thing. So this one I can just sort of dedicate to that particular project, whereas my other one with the 60 jars, 60 containers, I use that for normally 2 different projects. But this is so compact and this is really good quality too. Geez, I love that. That's awesome. Oh good, I'll be using that heaps. We'll put his little labels back in there. Okay, so next up I have a diamond painting project. So I saw these and I thought, oh, they look kind of interesting. I want to have a bit of a look, see exactly what they're made of and what they're like. Now, hang on, it's stuck. Alright, everybody's stuck. Oh. There's your drills and your toolkit, and I'm just going to, oh, I see, okay. Just that cover sheet on it has moved slightly. It hasn't been put on all the way. Yeah. Okay. It's a struggle. So I saw these, and this is a bookmarker, but it is actually not on that sort of leather sort of material, but it's on acrylic. So it's on this sort of plastic acrylic stuff. I think that looks really cool. I wondered how thick it was. So it's actually quite thin, but it's sturdy. So it bends a little bit. So it's like perfect. I was worried it'd be a bit too thick. And it's got your design on the front. And I thought, that is so pretty. And they have a few different designs. I think there's 6 designs all up. And that just, I love the effect. I love that. So pretty. So the reason why it was sticking to the plastic is because you can see there the cover sheet. I'll have to take that off and replace it because it's moved over and it's exposed the jewel field there, which is no big deal. I'll just fix that up. But you can see how clear those symbols are on there. And then apparently, yes, you do hang something off the end there, some beads or something off the end. I'll have a look. But that looks really, really pretty, doesn't it? I just love the idea. I think it's a great idea. Something a little bit different. So you've got that, and you've got just a normal toolkit. So in the toolkit, you've got your one placer, drill tray, wax, and so you've got some jump rings, and you've got a little wow, look at the shine on that. Wowee. I actually thought that was acrylic, but it's quite heavy. I think that might be glass or something. I don't know. That is really beautiful, isn't it? Wow. So the idea is that you loop your jump rings together, and then you hang this one on the end, and then you hook it onto your bookmarker. And actually you can hook this as well if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. So I will keep all them in there just so I don't lose them. So that's that. And then you've got drills. So let's have a look at these drills. Ooh. Ooh, aren't they gorgeous? Beautiful pink. There is some clear rounds, some yellow rounds. There you go, you can see them now, some yellow rounds. And then on the strips there are normal rhinestones, so there's beautiful pink. Oh, wowie, I love that color. Such a deep purple, isn't it? It's gorgeous. Some blue AB, blue AB, nice. Blue rhinestones, yellow rhinestones, and gorgeous purple marquise. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm quite impressed, actually. I was like, oh, I really want to check that out. See how good it is, but that looks absolutely beautiful. And it is one-sided, which is perfect. But no issues at all following those symbols. So basically all you do is, if you haven't done something like this before, you've got your symbol number Y and you match it with Y. Got your symbol O in the middle there, and you match it with O, and so on. So each packet is marked with the symbol number. So that's just beautiful and clear. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, I'll have to replace, because it is very, very sticky, because it's stuck to my wrapping. Wow, that is super sticky. Oh, I love it. And all the purples and everything. Now, I just want to know what's going on here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of rough there. Don't know what that is. I think that's actually part of the plastic. I'm not sure. Anyway, isn't that beautiful? Oh boy, cannot wait to get started on that one because that one is just gorgeous. Very impressed. All right, that's that one. And last but not least, I have a diamond painting. So this one here is a special drill. It is a 30 by 40. And I'm starting to get into the spirit of Christmas because it is not that far away. It's coming up so quickly, it's just mind-boggling. So I thought, you know what, it's time to get started on getting some projects organized for the holiday season. Alright, so I've got him and I've got drills and a just basic toolkit. So I saw this and I thought, oh, that is so pretty. I love that. It is a special drill. It's a partial. I'm just pulling that back just so the canvas can relax a bit. There we go. Joy to the world. So now that I've sort of pulled that plastic back, I'll put it under a couple of books for a few days and that should flatten out nicely. I am showing a bit of shadows there. My apologies because the lighting that I have is not very good today because it's a bit overcast. But anyway, isn't that pretty? Oh gosh, I loved it. Absolutely love it. And I love how you got the snowflakes hanging down. And they're all in special drills, which is going to look so pretty. I think they're all clear or AB special drills. I love the writing and this beautiful foliage on the top and bottom. I just thought it was so pretty. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So here we go. There's 10 different drills in this one. Oops, I'll get out of light. I love the writing. Isn't it beautiful? You got these beautiful pine cones, foliage down the bottom. And you got these gorgeous snowflakes. Love this in the middle. That's going to look so pretty. Some more snowflakes. Wow, that shadow's bad. And more of the foliage on the top. I'll just bring you around to the symbol case. So the symbol case is actually quite small. A little bit hard to read, but it's not too bad. So it looks like we've got teardrops, marquee, and some rounds. Not too hard to follow. It does have a cross-reference there too. I don't know if that's DMC or not, but anyway. But I don't think there's any issues reading the symbols on the actual canvas itself. Isn't that just gorgeous? That's going to be so pretty when it's finished. Alright, I'll zoom you back out again. Joy to the world. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, we'll have a look at those drills. Drills come on your standard strips. It's just beautiful faceted teardrops. Gorgeous ruby red. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, they're really pretty. And then these guys, beautiful Christmas colors. We have beautiful green rhinestones, yellow rhinestones, and red rhinestones. Now looking at the backs of those, they're not too bad. I see a couple of scratches there, but that's no biggie. Beautiful orange yellow. Gorgeous pink. And clear. Some yellow AB rounds. Some clear marquee. And wow, oh man, look at those. Look at the colors it's picking up on those. They are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous little teardrops. So really pretty colors in that. That is going to look amazing. That's going to look absolutely amazing. Oh wow. So it's going to be very effective. And I think too with a diamond painting like this, yes it is a 30 by 40 and there's not a lot to place drills on, but the if you had any more sort of crammed in there, it's going to look too messy. So less is more. I think that is just going to turn out absolutely beautifully. So gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So I have beautiful Christmas special draw diamond painting. I have a gorgeous special drill bookmark. Now that is just gorgeous. So I can't wait to get stuck into that. I might do a whip and chat or something like that and we can do it together. So that'll come up really nice. And then last but not least, I have this beautiful case of 30 containers. Absolutely gorgeous. Put them on top there, we can't see them. So some really beautiful products from NewCraftDay. They have a lot of new products on their website. So if you haven't been on there before, yeah, jump on there and have a look. They're a great budget-friendly company and they have a lot to choose from and they have really good quality products. So I'd like to thank NewCraftDay very, very much for sending these out to me. I really appreciate it. I will put the links to these in the description box below. And I will be doing videos on these guys in the not too distant future. So keep your eyes peeled for those as well. So thank you NewCraftDay and thank you so much for watching my video. And I will catch you next time. Bye.